Right, we got here around 3:50. We're at Bravoland. I've never seen this before. Looks like they're still working on some stuff. There's a new thing over there. Welcome to Bravoland. There's a windmill here. What is this? These birdies. What's with all the poopies? Are those all poopies? What the? No one's picking up their poopies? They even provide doggy bags and no one's picking up their poopies. That's messed up. Candyland. Local honey, dried fruit, hot sauces. What's this? Mining. Oh, there used to be the thing to get rocks here. What's going on? Where are all the rocks? All down. I don't know where we're going. Coffee and ice cream entrance. What's this? Good days. Start coffee and ends with ice cream. Date shakes. Fun candy. Butter pecan. All kinds of ice creams here. This one's overflowed. There's the cones. Some candies here. This bear guy. What? Are you supposed to shoot this bear? What is this? Oh, there's some cans up there. The bathroom has all these wanted posters inside. What's this? I have all these carnival shooting games here. What is this? What's going on? Fountain machine. So it looks like this is a restaurant here, and they have a menu. Another shooting game here. Out here smells good. Smells like some wood barbecue smoke. This place. But nobody, not many people are here. I wonder when this place gets busy. I guess it's because it's also a weekday right now. It's Monday. Let's go upstairs. For sale. Smells like. Oh, that's why. There's the smoke. Smells good. Kind of reminds me of camping. Look at all this stuff here. Why is nobody up here? It's abandoned. Got some water drinking fountains up here. Somebody's over there. Employees only. This place is big. Wonder if they're gonna build it out even more to lots more gas stations and stuff. Whole FedEx shipping area is over there. Alright, we're inside. Oh, now we're in the gift store. Souvenir store. Alright, I guess I can go back down. Lots of gifts and stuff in here. Never Where's Waldo? Why are his legs so long? What is that? Interesting. Is that another shooting range? This has a lot of these. It's the guy from Cars. I'm gonna play 2 games, 18 shots or 1 minute to shoot. Let's see. Oh, they have all those little targets they gotta shoot. Oh, we got it. So the lights turn off when you shoot them. Oh, he killed the car. Lots of dried fruits and stuff and candies. All kinds of candies. Postcards and other stuff. All dried fruits. Dried nuts. Got some clothes. Got this car here with more soups. Lots of drinks and stuff. There's another snacks. Syrups. Some wines back there. Some socks and other stuff. Got some toys in here. Oh, little toy guns. So much stuff. Lots more snacks and candies. Cherry beans. Fudge. Cheese. It's almost like a Buc-ee's. Got some books here as well. Oops, I think I'm leaving the store. Alright, we charged up about 74% in half an hour.